Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I'm gonna tell you 5 best drugstore foundations which I like. um, Everyone has different opinions about the foundations, but these are the 5 foundations which I really love. And one is, don't get me wrong, I used it today for the first time, but it is really good. uh, so yeah, just 5 foundations, drugstore version. Maybe I'll do next on the high end version of foundation. But yeah, these are the 5 main foundations which I really love. One is my absolute favorite, absolute favorite. So yeah, let's just start the video. And yeah guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And this look is already up on my YouTube channel. The eye look may be might be up on my Instagram, but the face, I had done the first impression on some foundation, so that you can check it out. So yeah, let's just start the video. First of all, I have foundation, that is the LOreal Pro Matte. This is Pro Matte foundation, but guys, this is so good. I can't even tell you how good this is. This is the only matte foundation which doesn't look cakey at all. It doesn't look matte at all. I can't tell you, it doesn't even sink in my fine lines, which is weird because every foundation sinks in my smile lines, but this doesn't sink in my fine lines. And I don't know what is so good in this, but it really makes my skin look great, absolutely flawless. It doesn't even crease the whole day. It is fully completely matte. And I don't know, it is a very full coverage foundation, but it is damn good. I think this is for around 50 dirhams, but it's really good. I will repurchase it again and again, even during the hot weather. This is really good. It doesn't melt off, very beautiful. And they have a lot of shade range here in Dubai. I'm really not sure how many shades are available, because I really don't know why do websites don't carry all the products. This I had purchased it from Glamazil. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out. And they also have I think there are pigments in the same bottle range. I think there are orange, blue pigments which you can mix it with your foundation and have a custom shade range, have a custom shade for your skin tone. But they have a variety of shade. They keep adding new shades for all the foundations. So yeah, this is really good. It says it is pro matte, but it is lovely. I can't even tell you how good this is. It is actually my favorite foundation from Drugstore. Then secondly, I have the Pro Coverage foundation. This is also from LOreal, but this is the Pro Coverage High Definition Illuminating foundation. These two are really good. Even this, they have a variety of shade, and they also have a white foundation which you can mix it with your foundation to, you know, create a custom foundation. If this is a bit dark for me, so if I have white foundation, I can add this and get my actual color, actual shade. But I usually mix these two, long wear of this and illumination of this. But this is really good, and I'm very sure this is the dupe for the Makeup Forever HD foundation. That is also illuminating one. The bottle is also kind of same, and I'm very sure this is the dupe of the Makeup Forever foundation. And this foundation is really lightweight, and it really makes your and it really makes your skin look good. It has a slight illumination which makes your skin look really good in photographs. And yeah, it doesn't even sink in the smile lines. I don't know what is the special ingredient, but these both are actually really good. Both are in the range of 50 to 60 dirhams. depending from which website you are purchasing. And the combo of these two is absolutely beautiful, and this doesn't feel cakey at all. It is very lightweight, and you can build it up. It is medium to full coverage, so you can build it up according to your liking. So that was two foundations from LA Girl. Then I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is a very good everyday foundation because it is so lightweight. It is really good, but the same thing, there are very few shades available here, even in the shops and as well as the websites. So it is really hard actually to find your shade, but if you get your shade, it will be really good because it is really nice. And this was actually tested under 7 different lightings, so it doesn't give you any flashbacks, and it looks really good under all these lightings, even in the yellow lighting, the white lighting, even in natural lighting. This looks really good, and it gives you a very smooth finish, and it is really good. It smells kinda like paint. Yeah, it smells kinda like paint, but this is really good. And even this you can find out online as well as in the shops. Then I have the Milani 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. This claims to be foundation and concealer, so you can use this in both way, but I have only one shade. If you want to use it in the form of a concealer, you can buy a separate lighter shade for concealer, but I use a separate concealer for this. And this is full coverage, but it is very lightweight, but it gives you a very flawless finish. It is a very full coverage foundation, but it is very lightweight and it is really good. This is also in the range of 50 to 60 dirhams. I think only this one is a kind of cheap, but I think even in shops it is bit of costly, around 50 dirhams. I think I purchased it for around 30 to 40 dirhams, but now I think even this is for 50 dirhams. And the Milani one has I think they have around 28 to 30 shades. I'm really not sure, but I'm very sure the actual website, the US website. Here I'm not sure. Here I think only 10 or 12 shades might be available, and I purchased this from the Glamazil website. So this is really good. And yeah, this was my actually first foundation which I purchased in Dubai, and Milani is a really good brand, so this is really good. You can use this foundation as a concealer under your eyes to hide your dark spots or any pimple, or just use a lighter shade to highlight your under eyes. So that is really good. And lastly, this is the foundation which I'm wearing it today. It is my first time, but honestly it is really beautiful. This is the L'Oreal foundation. This is the Infallible 24 hours Freshwear foundation. They have a lot of shade range. I am in the shade True Beige. It is really good actually. It is kind of watery consistency, but it gives you a really pretty finish. It's been around 3 to 4 hours since I've applied my foundation, but as you can see it is looking really nice, and it has some oxygen technology which keeps you fresh throughout the day. It has a lot of shade range, and I have purchased from the website Look Fantastic. They have mostly all the shade range, so you can check that out, and it is suitable for all skin types, which is really good. I actually am a very dry skin person, but it is not looking cakey at all. It is not even sticking to my dry patches, because I have a lot of dry patches. Even on the top of my lids I have a lot of dry patches, but this is really good. So guys, these were all the foundations which I love from the drugstore version. I know a lot of people like the Maybelline foundations, but honestly even the Fit Me is kind of dry for my skin tone, and the 24 hours one is also kind of dry. It is too matte. I wish they have a luminous one, but I don't know, I'm not that interested. These are really good. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of drugstore foundations which other people like, but these are my preference. I would prefer these foundations on top of any other foundation from the drugstore, because they are that good. And it is in the range of 50 to 60 dirhams. This is a bit costly, around if you purchase it from the Look Fantastic, it is under 100 dirhams. But I think in Dubai, in Lifestyle Gulf, I think it is above 100 dirhams, so that you can check it out. But the rest of all, it is below, it is around 50 to 60 dirhams, so that is really good. So yeah guys, if you liked my video, please give a thumbs up, and maybe next I'll do top 5 high-end foundations which I like. This I'm going to start a series. One will be more of drugstore version, and one will be high-end version, top 5 from every category. So yeah, I'm going to start this series from this video itself. So yeah guys, the previous if you want to see the review of this foundation, the link will be in the description below, so you can check it out. So yeah guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.